Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here. Thanks for watching, and we're just going to take a look at the tropics, because the tropics are really getting active at the moment, and this is going to have a bearing on the weather across the UK and Europe, I think, as we get through into August. Always does, of course, at this time of year. The tropical storms and hurricanes have a fundamental impact on how the atmosphere behaves. But just wanted to show you the effects of Tropical Storm Emily that's being watched at the moment by the National Hurricane Centre. Now, these are the charts from Weather Online, and this is the time of the chart is up here, look in the top left hand corner, and this is valid for Tuesday 6 AM this morning, so that was earlier on this morning. Now this here is Tropical Storm Emily. This amount of rainfall here, that's the blue shading, is Tropical Storm Emily. You can see it just west here of the Caribbean islands. Now it's interesting to watch how Emily develops, but also out here we've got Hurricane Eugenie, which is just off the southeastern coast of North America, and we're going to be watching that as well over the next few days. But the interesting one is Emily, because as Emily moves her track northwestwards during the next few days, she's going to be heading towards Florida. Now at the moment it doesn't look as if she's going to develop into anything really threatening, although it could get into a category 1 hurricane. I'll show you that in just a moment, but something to watch for, because these things are notorious in the way they behave and they can develop. Let me just show you what the National Hurricane Centre is saying first of all though. Here's the track forecast for Emily from the various models, and it's here at 8 AM local time on Tuesday, and then each of these points here are the predicted tracks for various times. So you can see that this one here is 2 AM Wednesday, we've got 2 AM Thursday here, 2 AM Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and you see that they're just sticking it towards the east of Florida. Now then, the conical shape you can see here, this kind of opening out shape, is the predicted errors in the forecast, and you can see how some forecasts are putting it towards the west of Florida, others are putting it towards the east. So you can see that this track, this general north to northeasterly track, is the one that Emily is expected to take. Now the satellite picture shows it quite nicely as well. Here we are, there's Tropical Storm Emily. Look, here's Hurricane Eugenie just off the southeastern coast of North America. And if we go back into the Atlantic, you can see there are several tropical storms trying to form, or rather the start of tropical storms trying to form out in the Atlantic. Take a closer in view from satellite. This was the picture at 1:15 UK time on Tuesday afternoon. You can see there Tropical Storm Emily. No eye in there yet, but some quite nice detail look showing in the cumulonimbus clouds, the tops of the cumulonimbus clouds. They're the thunderstorms associated with Tropical Storm Emily, and as I say, she's towards the east of the Caribbean islands at the moment, just heading up towards Cuba and then into Florida. So how does the model handle it? Well, this is the chart for central parts of America from Weather Online, and it's easy to find this. If you go to Weather Maps, then you click onto Expert Charts, and then click onto Central America to choose your region, and then all you do is simply zoom in, give yourself a nice big chart, and I always stick it on a loop. So I click loop and in it loads. You see, very easy to do, and each of the time periods are shown through here, and then we can navigate our way through the charts. So what I'm going to do is to stop it, use the controls here to rewind back, get to Tuesday, the first period, and here is Tropical Storm Emily. So as we knock it forward, watch the area of rainfall here, just watch what happens. Time changes, look here in the top left hand corner. Watch as she tracks her way through Dominican Republic, and then she's going to go through Cuba. She kind of weakens as she goes northwestwards, and then look what happens as she get into the Atlantic. We kind of split. We get one formation here south of Cuba, another one to the northeast of Cuba, and then as we head into the weekend, well, this is where, let's just knock it back a bit, this is where Emily is predicted to be. Look, she's kind of split into two, but still models are putting her within this area here to the east of Florida. It's something that we need to watch though, because this is a late run of the model, and you can see what's happening here by the time we get through towards Sunday. Look, we've got another one that's just trying to form out here in the Atlantic, never really getting its act together, but it's something that we definitely need to be watching, and we'll be doing so over the next few days. So thanks for watching, and keep the sun shining.